You! Get over here, you.
Ow. Ow. Ow, that hurt. Stop it.
Dude, what are you even talking about? I don't even like girls. I have a boyfriend.
It's kind of gay, Gojo. Oh, you one of them. Anyways, go.
My goodness, a woman?
Can I get a steak, please?
You want steak? Before I spin you with my kebab machine.
What did I do to deserve this?
Domain expansion. Malevolent back shots.
What do you want?
Can I have some steak? Do! Reversal technique. Shoot up the classroom. See you later, alligator. Imaginary technique. Scope him like JFK.
Domain expansion.
Domain expansion.
Looks like you using your domain made you lose an extra chromosome.